kwaje 3 billion no kwa ye pon ma ye sope no ye bose o se yetima ton gold enya 6 billion dollars dadebo a akota
mame ma wo akwaba emfa wo bra Ghana nsem TVGH so wo frame adwoa search him ebusuafo Omanhene yaw Aduboache eye journalist na ode nsem bia betudwa o kire se NDC abanwe esese obobo mo homodin na agenda 111 aban dada no starting so mo ntimi complete ni na akra at least omo complete mu kakra na nurses no omo gufie na omo nya adwuma anye no omo nya adwuma enye na saa aban biba na obeye project na okona aban fofu biba na ono so eja ego hono me no enya de a eboa oman no Omanhene mo e kire se NDC aban go disika na tai hotwom Sami Jamfi, then you share with rice water. I don't know, she just said, or the gold, we save the gold, then you go the kit to her cry, or buy within 1 year and some months. Gold go up, and Omanhene more as just a gold go up, dear. Sikano, and your money in Adia. I feel into the hospital, say, you gonna handle man. And people started your money to me and complete. More complete, never follow more fear now. Or more connecting training, and your money, more formal. And I feel hospitals are enough. Into your health and home outouch mano. More complete because on my health, any penifona dream mono. And yet that's how mine 18 points. God is kind of go or more and more modern and fancy agenda 111 or more and complete be. Now Ghana Fonsi and enter into any seminar see a coy.
Your problem, Psia, name I'm Shassie, my credit card when one it's Bacoba. O se ne ma wie ne ma credit de ne me
nye kra
maybe ne ma credit de me nye as say you mu botom sika it's so annoying
na nye na akota ma agenda 111 hospitals yi
no ma me agenda 111 hospitals there
akaka hui
say wo mu jagu ho no ma it's so inimical to the nation.
Oh yes,
I don't understand why a project like fine funding was a problem now to what extent can you go say at least you don't do 111. It was ambitious. But you can do it in phases. Ebia, miensa enembi.
But akota gold sika yenya de betima ye nyina bomu.
Ya David.
Akota
now the Ghana goes Ghana. Now the 1 billion. And I to force you to say 80% of budget. They say akra also borrow over 7 billion or the abitua or market. Now when you say TUC for the car, TUC for the say what you do say betray car was ukuburu and kaso borrow betray a car kaso borrow for expenditure.
Yes,
don't say hospital we say naka esi ho hwe eno amu ye bibi kakra bi na hospital ayo prisoner nurse fu ogufie
senko anaka
nurse fu ogufie
omaya ya ton gold enya 10 billion ya ton gold enya be 6 billion dollars akota yeti ya ni akwaje 3 billion no kwa ye pon ma ye sope no ye bose o se yetima ton gold enya 6 billion dollars dadebo a akota it should change Ghana infrastructure ni ade within 6 months 1 year o akota ma ye was 6 billion dollars dadem.
Now the politics is just too much.
Me dey say ya mi bisa se sika de
no but me must say hey, politics no you too much.
Ade san yen kania. Wait, dey naka.
Auntie, ada way si wonu mo ni sa niema ya o mo
dey no mo dey BCC we. Dey aka mo keka ho.
Bebre o no ma say aban ni so ma nani akoho a sika kakra bi betima wie.
Yes.
But the politics.
Oh.
Ma omampani jo ma wie sesia. The next minute na MPP for
but agota saadie we so unim say akofa ntokwa aba menka say akofa ntokwa aba akwakofa say twima mentwine mentimi wase aba between MPP and NDC. MPP for no fee say this adie we ya ene emfaso aba so ene yakwakoji atum no eye omo pen so
ene omo
shase
for reparation.
Yes, but I say enkomo na eko nyina ko ati say
fans na your mama
okuje to ba ye na
as o maye bibie
omo yifa ba ene ne enti ho asem grada ene bibi for na starting
social media so ba
agodaja se gito
your foreign affairs minister ayokoboche ho pa
omakofa mampani na nado danko akuford mampani da na nado danko akuford ni video bia na UN General Assembly meeting
o make
case for sa ade we ni ade
na nyo omo anom se government MPP edru ma bi na say asem bi ba na about you mom say government is continuing. That is why you have come to continue.
Yes.
Now when they will continue no do there otokujo toma fans kaka.
Yes, o man na
acknowledge ayokobo che juma one deputy minister Amprechum juma mo ye na at this on the acknowledge you kaka on the onti omo to kaka ekujeto we yen say she. Let's acknowledge madam ni ade kakra
and no there it was all Ghana video na
changing, and it is time to bring the subject of reparations firmly to the fore. Granted, the current generations are not the ones that engaged in the slave trade, but that grand inhuman enterprise was state-sponsored and deliberate, and its benefits are clearly interwoven with the present-day economic architecture of the nations that designed and executed it. Reparations must be paid for the slave trade. No amount of money will ever make up for the horrors, but it would make the point that evil was perpetrated, that millions of productive Africans were snatched from the embrace of our continent and put to work in the Americas and the Caribbean without compensation for their labor. If there are any hesitation,
a table of say be a check.
UN General Assembly meeting.
Oh, but Nana made a solid statement.
Yes.
Say Sikas saying crying to me. Yeah, name says he can also ever make a statement.
Yes.
Because some of will be no you soon no amount of compensation. So definitely they did something about it. And they started it.
The
only thing I say. Ebrebi MPP NDC for Pokuasi almost start here Muslim Comanuntum. Na Addo na si Pokuasi.
But NDC so
intendo how dey na mu be number 3 mo. Wala bo arawo. Se dey chama chibu no me anu bidru anu me yami hu se ne market e wo so ene ne patam ti wadaruma be tie no.
Swami ho na na ye ro se chimensa bonsu ne mpesu aso no.
Wadaruma sabe pepe Chairman Sabunsu ne President Ene so Sabri MP o ha lawyer John Dakon ono na current MPCC
chese to aba Swami for to aba dodo no adema the New Patriotic Party
MPP stronghold ba na anyhow Wadaruma
so sad the opposite the can on fact but bibi cause my video no ho na o man for enkonkohwe Swami interchange aba Kumasi the capital of Ashanti region Atuama the New Patriotic Party over the years na mo nkonkohwe Kumasi krom te se Swami said the hot at time city any niam ahodo a ekoso ho the opposite the can on me nu abetumi the account na afie fan komo no mra na wie
so me da say mebo modena matimi akọ MC office na me na kudin ko na ya free sanitation hu hia pa san say mapani crash say every month Saturday chat will be a yempra na yebisa say mo na ya no mo plan na so mo mpra because say oba ahana kasa na hu aka say be 30 years ni yempa ye client to form anti arrevo be try say me for ya MC na me na din ko na ya friend say mo di be go akọ even put a kwano kwa no mo start ya hu ni die e be ka say hu hia ti wadaroma
that's our reporter Kumasi and yete Ninkano. Thanks for joining us. So let me can bibi ma Swami interchange no any Kumasi abonte no ngo so Facebook mo tie and oko Facebook see Oman life we be hu Swami interchange no said a hot time city ene enfutro ene kwan no ye jade ato ho na they are reho on the part of the New Patriotic Party mo die Kumasi for hwamo papa ohwaba asanteman to dem ma MPP ya say mo sa keka mo akọ say ensanto abamfa ma mo na ohwe ne ACCC itu ne Swami interchange no a ye kan de so ya ba be wie asanso mo nyina be keka na sa enne ukokohwe ho no antimo gidi se na mu gya ho no na mu gya ho a monya NDC be on ba be ya na fi say NDC omo track record eba project a ya ye na ya gya ho a omo track record nti say bibi papa bi wo ho no mo na mo betumi aye e de aboa ma santema ya pagya na ye time na mo wa ban mu eneyi ko na akohwe so ame ho na wo hwe efie wo ho na ubusa say nti ha ye Kumase capital city of Ashanti region Garden City titu ene swami babia MPP for to abadodo de Ghana for to abadodo Kumase for to abadodo